our kitchen. So today I'm so excited. I'm going to make my delicious meal, pilau, beef pilau. So for those who don't take beef but you love pilau, don't worry, I got you covered. Next time I'll do a pilau without beef or without chicken, without any animal products. So see you to the end. So let's go to our ingredients, our today's ingredients. For our ingredients, these are just a simple pilau. We need tomatoes. These are tomatoes that I've cut them. We have rice. This is around 300 grams. Now here we have ground ginger and garlic. We have beef, 250 grams. And when this beef is boiled, when I was boiling it, I boiled it with rosemary. This rosemary, I've not removed it, but I'm going to remove it right now because its purpose is over. So I've boiled my meat with rosemary and salt. Just that. These are our ingredients. These are whole ingredients. Now, you can make your own pilau masala instead of buying the one that is ready-made. For your pilau masala, you need cumin, black pepper, cardamon, and cloves. Those are the main ingredients, especially the cumin. That is the pilau is cumin actually. Without cumin, you don't have pilau. Now, these ones, you can either ground them using the mortar and pestle. You can use them whole or you can blend them. For example, for my case, I've already blended them here. Now, these are these ingredients that I've blended them together. When you blend them together this way, your work becomes easier. You will not be chewing these ones when they are whole. So you I prefer them either blended or ground using the mortar and pestle. So let's start our cooking. So we first light up our heat. We wait for our sufuria to heat up. Then when the sufuria heats up, now you add in your oil. Your cooking oil. You can use any type of oil. Myself, I prefer this because it doesn't solidify. And also when you use it in a lot, it doesn't leave in your. It is not left in your mouth. So wait for our oil to heat up. Now our oil has heated up enough. Now that's when we go in with our onions. So let's put in our onions. And now we wait for onions to cook till they are brown. That's when we will add in our ginger and garlic. So our onion is browning up, so you can add in our garlic and ginger. Remember, garlic and ginger, they cook very fast, so you keep on stirring them because they stick on the sufuria as well. Till everything browns up. You can also add some raw cumin to enhance your flavor. And some few raw cardamon seeds. Cook them for some time till everything browns up. So it's brown enough, you don't have to wait until everything browns up. So we add in our meat. You remove the bones. We don't want to have some bones in the rice. Remove the bones. But you can cook in with the bones. Yes, that's my just way. Oh, And in my ingredient, I forgot salt. Hey, you can't eat pilau without salt. Salt is very important, otherwise it will be tasteless. So we add in salt. These are 2 teaspoons of salt. That's enough, but we shall test to see whether it's okay. At this time we can add in our spices, that's the pilau masala. I'm going to add in 2.5 teaspoons of whole pilau, of ground pilau masala. Give it some time to cook. So we are back after some time. Our spices are cooked. Now we can add in our rice. Add in our rice. As usual, remember that the ratio of rice is 1 cup of rice, 2 cups of water. You taste your salt, because salt is enough. Salt is enough. So you lid it. Now to make our pilau to cook well and all the ingredients, we feel the aroma of every ingredient, we're going to lid with this foil. The aluminium foil, it prevents the vapor from escaping. So just cut in your aluminium foil well. So we give it like 10 minutes. We shall be back and our pilau will be ready. So we're going to take our pilau, so it goes well with pepper sauce. You can call it pepper sauce or pilipili. So to make pilipili or pepper sauce, these are our ingredients. You need tomatoes, lemon, pepper, garlic and ginger grounded, salt and oil. You can use tomato paste, but that's optional. Now for the tomatoes, what I do, first I boil water. Once I've boiled water, I put in the tomatoes. This is to enable me to peel the tomatoes, because I don't want to use the outside part of the tomato. So I peel off the tomato. When you put it in boiled water and give it some time, it peels out very easily. Now once you've peeled your tomatoes, there are 2 ways. You can ground them in the mortar and pestle. You can ground them in the mortar and pestle, or you can blend them. For my case, I'm going to blend them. So once I've blended, we shall go direct to cooking. See you. We are back after like 10 minutes. Our pilau is ready. So I said that aluminium foil, you have to take a lot of care. Remove it bit by bit because first of the four. And there you have our pilau. Our pilau, very ready. No water. Oh, the water has dried up. And then it is now well cooked. Now, let's go to our pepper sauce. That one is very fast. You add in your oil, cooking oil. So you add in the ground ginger and cumin. You don't have to cook it. Add in tomatoes. Our tomatoes, we have blended them. This is our tomatoes. Yeah, we have tomatoes. You add salt. Salt. Then pepper. You can cut it into two and then you try to remove the seeds. This pepper is very bitter and I don't like a lot of pepper. I like mild. That's why I just remove the seeds. We remove these ones. They make it taste very, very bitter. Then you add in your lemon.